friends, welcome to Gastro Guru Kitchen. I'm Gastro Guru, aka Prashant Shukla. Today we're going to make a quick pita sandwich. What we're going to do is we have some andouille sausage over here. We have shallots. We have jalapeno pepper, and I took the seeds out. We have half a lemon. You have olive oil, salt, and then we have Greek yogurt. So we're just going to quickly, cook the sausage. It's cooked already, but we're just going to brown it, add the jalapenos and all that, and then garnish that with parsley and Greek yogurt. So let's get started. Alright, so right now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm going to swirl the pan so that it's nicely coated with the olive oil that we added to it. And then the first thing I'm going to do is add the shallots. So I've taken 1 shallot and thinly sliced them. So we're going to saute the shallots in the olive oil for a minute, not for too long. These are not onions. And then the next thing we're going to add is the jalapeno pepper slices. And as I said earlier, I took the seeds out. That quick toss, and we saute them for a minute and then add the sausage. So we have been sauteing the shallots and the jalapeno slices for a couple of minutes. And after that I'm going to add andouille sausage slices. I've taken 3 precooked andouille sausage and then cut them into thin slices. Alright, so our andouille sausage is looking fantastic, as you can see. Picked up some char and the color has changed. So to that I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. Because the shallots and the jalapeno peppers didn't have salt. So we're just seasoning that. And then I'm going to add a little bit of freshly chopped parsley to give it some freshness. And now, after tossing in the parsley, I'm going to give it a quick toss. It smells fantastic. And to add to that, I'm going to add a little bit of squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Well, look at that. Again, give it a quick toss. And then in a minute we are going to plate that. I'm going to remove it from the pan to a plate. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat the pita bread in this pan so it soaks up all the bits and pieces and juices from the sausage. Alright, so our sausage is done, the andouille sausage with the jalapeno, shallots, lemon juice, salt, parsley. And now in the same pan, I'm going to warm up the pita bread because we want to soak up all the goodness from the pan and not lose it. So I'm just going to wipe it like that and let it sit for a couple of minutes. And then we'll remove it from the pan and plate it. What we're going to do is we're going to the toasted Greek Pita Bread, we're going to top the andouille sausage on top, add Greek yogurt, and then garnish it with parsley. Alright friends, so here we have it, toasted pita bread Greek Pita Bread, and on top of that we have andouille sausage, which we kind of semi-cooked and brown with the shallots and the jalapeno, the salt, and lemon juice, and fresh parsley. So now to that I'm going to add a dollop of the Greek yogurt right on top. And then I'm going to garnish that with fresh parsley. Now look at that. That looks fantastic. So please make sure that you watch this video on my YouTube channel Gastro Guru, and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and bon appetit. Andouille sausage with shallots, jalapeno peppers, Greek yogurt, parsley on a pita bread. Bon appetit. Oh my goodness, look at that. How fantastic does that look? Delicious andouille sausage, made golden brown with the grill marks or the pan marks, and then with sauteed jalapeno peppers. And then you have shallots, fresh parsley, Greek yogurt, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. It smells fantastic and it's going to taste awesome. Wow.